Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have the fall Walmart Beauty Box. Walmart Beauty Box is $6.98. It's free. $6.98 is the shipping cost. But I didn't get the true Walmart box this quarter. I got the special box. So the special box is $12.98 and it's by Space NK. So if you all have been watching me for a little while, you know that I have the advent calendar that I'll start opening December 1st from Space NK, which is a UK brand. Real bougie stuff in there. So I'm super excited about the advent calendar. Walmart has had a Space NK box before, and I got it, and I wasn't too impressed with it. I don't really remember now what was in it, but I think this one is really good based on what I've seen. So they send you an email and ask you if you're interested, and what they do is they don't send you your $6.98 box, they send you this box. And sometimes they're different pricing depending on what they do, and they're not, you know, they're different, they're not always Space NK boxes. They're different kinds of boxes, you know, just a little more bougie stuff, supposedly. So for $12.98, let's see what we got. It's supposed to have a $70 value. So they did say they send us a tin. I'll tell you, this was covered in plastic, okay? And it does say, I've seen what's supposed to be in here. There's supposed to be 9 products, but this does say version 5. So I was expecting there to be just one version of the Space NK box. So let's see what's in there. Maybe, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is how it is. There is the nice tin, which they promised. I think the first one they did had a bag that was just black and it was just boring, you know, just sort of boring. But this is a nice box. I'll keep this for, it's good for sending out giveaways in. So let's see. It does say Walmart on it. It's a pretty box. Beauty Space NK Beauty Box. So it's very heavy and nothing's really moving in there, so it's pretty full. Let's see. Okay, when I opened it up, the lid comes off, which I like that. You know, a lot of boxes that have a lid, they'll open like this and be on, you know, little whatever you want to call it. I like that this opens completely separate. So it's a nice, you know, keepsake box. Blue was here and he walked away, so now Camille has come over because I have papers down here to tell me about stuff. So she's got to lay on it. Okay, anyway, inside is a little brochure that'll tell us a little bit about it. It says Beauty Space NK at Walmart. And then inside it says there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Well, there's only showing 8 things. There's something on the back. Anyway, so it says Beauty Space NK at Walmart is your one-stop beauty destination. From iconic makeup bag essentials to the latest must-have moisturizer, no beauty discovery or sensation skips our radar. This curated edition is a taster of some favorite beauty buys, perfect for taking your routine to new heights. And then there's a, you know, little thing you can scan. I don't know what that's about. Scan here with your phone's camera and take a quick survey, it says. Okay, so let's see. Here's a quick peek. There's a lot in there. There's a big, huge thing. Okay. I don't know that there's pricing. Oh yeah, there is. Okay. This, well, maybe not. All right, hang on. This is called ARKIVE, Archive by Adam Reed. It says the Crown Scalp Scrub. It's a gommage. Okay, so this is really soft and really pretty. I love the packaging. I don't really need a scalp scrub. I'm not real big into that. It says it's a weekly thing and it'll tingle, and it's a wake-up call, it says. So I may or may not try it. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's sealed. Yeah, I was gonna try it. Oh, it smells good. I can still smell it a little bit. This bottle is really nice. It's so soft. It's called the Crown Scalp Scrub. So what a gommage is for your skin is it's an exfoliator, and it'll actually exfoliate your skin. And you might see little bits of your, you know, just dead skin come off. So, you know, it's great probably for lots of people. If you use a lot of stuff on your hair, if you have damage to your scalp, I don't know that I'll really use that. I'm looking at this little brochure and I don't even see it on here. I thought I did, but that's another thing. That's a pink container. So there are different things in here. So this is not what I saw, so I can't tell you a price. I was excited to know everything in here, and I'm wrong. So there are a couple of little 6, 7, 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 8 things in here, even though they said it would include 9. Camille, behave. There is a little Miami Beach Bum. This is just a little sample size. It says the facial in a jar face cream, aloe, lemongrass, and squalane. So that's just a little test. There's a little bit in there, so you can probably use it a couple times maybe. And there is also, by Terry, is a very bougie English product. This is a brightening CC serum, and it looks like it has a color to it. I'm not really sure if it's going to be like a base. Yeah, CC serum. So like a CC, what there's CC and there's BB. I don't even know, because I don't use these things. So I'll pass it along. There is this. I know we were supposed to get this in the box. This is the Sands and Sky Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. And I've had this before. It's very nice. It's a mask that you put on and wash off, if I remember correctly. It's been a long time since I've had it. I wonder if it's made in Italy. Glow and Plump. I think it's a wash-off mask. Anyway, let's see if it says. Oh, there is a little. It says the full size will be $39, so this is a deluxe sample. Defeat the dull and bring back the bounce with the Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. Antioxidant-rich emu apple and Australian glow berries brighten and protect the skin from dullness and pollution. And I'm pretty sure it's got a seal on it. Oh, it's this is a metal tube, so you'll take the cap and puncture it. So of course I can't smell that one, but I'll try it out. I don't know that I've ever tried it. I've had it before. Did I try it? I don't know. Okay, then we have this is Beauty Space NK brand. This is Jasmine and Rose hand cream. The full size is $5. And this is 0.67 ounces. A full size is 3.4 ounces. So just a little cute little thing to carry in your purse. I'm sure it's sealed. I can't even open it, so we won't even try to check it out. Okay. And I don't have as many as they said I'd have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 items. Oh, maybe they're counting the container. Yeah, they're counting the container as one because I'm looking at what's on there. Okay. And I didn't get some of the things that I wanted. Okay, anyway, we have the Gold Faden MD, which is a really excellent skincare line. This is the Overnight Moisturizer Enhancing Facial Treatment. It's the Wake Up Call, it's called. Regenerative Facial Treatment for Overnight. And it is problem for dry and aging skin is what it's for. The full size is $88, so another deluxe sample there. And then we have this Lancer, the Method Polish Normal to Combination Skin. The full size of this is $120. Wow. The full size is 4 ounces, and this is half an ounce. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. It's a pretty package. Calm it on down, girl. Okay. This daily exfoliating polish gently and effectively removes debris and dry surface cells. Oh, it's really pretty. Leaving your skin smooth, soft, bright, and renewed. So I will definitely try that. That is nice. That is not a brand that I've tried before, but like I said, bougie stuff in here. And then I think the last thing is a mask from Patchesology. Patchesology masks are expensive. This is $5. I mean, for one mask, to me that's expensive for a mask. This is a full size, of course. It's Just Let It Glow sheet mask. Healthy Glow sheet mask. Pear fruit. Ooh. Sea berry extract and niacinamide. So it is restore your skin's natural glow with this radiance enhancing mask that delivers the perfect combination of pear fruit, sea berry extract, and niacinamide to boost brightness in just 10 minutes. So that is what I got. What I am unhappy not to get, there were a possibility of getting Rhodial Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. And 4 count is $39, so that would be $10 for one set of eye patches. And then also the Eve Lom Foaming Cream Cleanser, which I do love. The full size of that is $60. I do have some of that, and I do like it. That was one thing that was in here, what I had saw online when I looked. So I did get a full size of this, which is not in my brochure, so I don't know how much this is. I'd have to look it up and see. The scalp scrub, and we have all the rest are deluxe samples or samples. Well, no, this is full size, the Patchesology. I'll be trying that probably on a future Mass Monday. We have these little samples here, and we have this Sand and Sky. Now this will, you know, this is a nice size deluxe sample, I think, because you'll get a few uses out of this. And the Gold Fadden MD, I get these things all the time, and they're very, very good. This Beauty Space NK, I have not tried their hand cream, so Jasmine and Rose. I do like Rose. It might be a little strong for me, Jasmine and Rose. So I'm not sure about that, because jasmine is strong. I like the smell of jasmine if I'm walking through some jasmine, but to have it on my skin, I don't know how I feel about it. And then the Lancer polish. What was that again? The normal combination skin. I don't even know what that was again now. It says polish, so anyway, it's a nice package. And again, I have this nice tin, you know, for keepsakes and things. So I will be keeping that. And thanks y'all for stopping by. I haven't seen anybody open this one yet, but if I haven't seen anybody get it yet, but that doesn't mean they haven't. I'm just way behind on videos, y'all. I'm sorry. I get that way. Things get all crazy and I get that way. So, if anybody else has got this, let me know, because I'd like to see what you got. I got version 5. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And I have seen a lot of people get their Walmart box. They've been getting it for at least about a month now. So that's how when you order the Walmart box, if in case I didn't say this, it is quarterly. And usually, like, you get the fall box at the beginning of the season. And then, you know, so it's quarterly, and it is just $6.98. They're saying that it's a free box and you're just paying for the shipping. So it's a really good deal. You can try a lot of things, and all the things that you try you can buy at Walmart. So I'm not sure about that for these products, but I would venture to say that it's probably the case. So check it out and see. I don't know. I'm thinking this box is the Space NK box is already sold out. But if you go and sign up for Walmart, I have their link below. I don't get anything for it. You know, it's so cheap that they don't give anything to anybody for it. But you can go check it out and sign up for it. And they only charge you by the quarter. You can't sign up for like a year ahead or anything like that. $6.98 they'll charge you plus your tax, and that should be it. And then I think if you sign up now, you may not get the fall box. You may start with winter. It depends what they have left over. So, and then every so often, not every quarter, but once or twice a year, they offer a special box like this. So if you're interested, go check them out. Y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.